Hello guys, it's Newman here and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell your cryptocurrency in the Binance app. Okay, so you just tap on P2P here. So this is the buy section. You switch to the sell section at the very top. So before we move on, I'd like to show you a little intro to the platform. Okay, so at the very top here you can see we have BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, Solana and all of that. For me, I have some USDT which I want to sell, so I'll click on the USDT. Now you have to take notice of these banks, of the banks over here. Okay, here you see Al Mashak. Looks like I don't have that bank account. Wave Mobile Money, I don't have that. MTN Mobile Money, I do have. So yeah, Vodafone Cash and so on. But you see, for this one here, this person Sergio, he's, unless I have 240,000, I won't be able to sell any USDT to him. Okay, so I don't have 240,000 to sell. I'll just skip to one that is suitable. Here you see 13.13, and his limit is as low as 80 cedis, so I could sell to him using Vodafone Cash. I'm trying to see if I can find with MTN. Okay, so another one, 13.13, Vodafone Cash and MTN Mobile Money. So I'll click on this guy. So just enter the amount that you have to sell. In this case, if I tap on the all at the side here, this is all of the USDT that I have currently in my funding wallet. That is 7.63. I can choose to say sell only 5. Okay, the 5, his minimum is 6, so I can choose to sell 6.9 to him. I can choose to sell only 7, but in this case I'll just max it all out. Okay, then click on the sell USDT. So go to the chat section to check his terms and conditions. This ad is for Vodafone Cash and MTN subscribers only. Please be online for fast release, blah blah. So I'll just tell him MTN, and then let me send him my number. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for him to send. So if he sends the money, then this tab right here is going to highlight payment received. So that is after I've received the exact payment, then I'll click on that. So over here I should be expecting 100 cedis and then 18 pesos. All right, so I'll just wait a while. I have to pause the video, it may take some time. Just sent the money a while ago. I'll click on the payment received. So the second one, tap on it. I have received the right amount. Now before doing this, you have to make sure that you check whether it is your Momo app or whichever app. You check and make sure that the balance is the exact one before proceeding. I have done that check, so I'll just click on send code. So Binance sends verification code and I submit. So that is it. Successfully sold 7.63 USDT. Basically simple. So below here you can do some rating if you want. This guy, I'd rather not rate him because he was very slow. You click on done. So that is how you buy or you sell any cryptocurrency that you own in the Binance P2P platform. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, leave any comments and questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you.